Hi everyone, this question past year question paper of CUET exams. So in this question, they are not mentioned about that initial substrate, but that one it's reacted with the magnesium in presence of dry ether. So obviously it is a preparation of RMgX, preparation of Grignard reagent. So in the Grignard reagent, you treated with any source of proton like water and ammonia. Definitely you will got the hydrocarbon derivative. So here I got the product of the hydrocarbon. If you take the hydrocarbon, you do with the chlorination in presence of the sunlight. In presence of the sunlight. So our heating process, what you will get again you got the haloalkane. Haloalkane you are going to get that. Okay. So now so initially here I have that R. So I don't know about that what type of alkyl halide will be present. So now magnesium treated with in presence of dry ether. So now what will happen? You treated with the magnesium in presence of the dry ether. I got the RMgX. Okay, you just break the CX bond, then you add the magnesium in between the CX nature of the CX bond, then you got the RMgX. So once you got the RMgX, you treated with the proton source of water molecule. Now what you will get? You will got the hydrocarbon derivative. After you got the hydrocarbon derivative, you do with the chlorination in presence of heating process. So now what will happen? The elemental form of the chlorine, it's undergo the homolytic cleavage. The bond break and the sharing of the breaking of the bond evenly. So now what you will get? You got the alkyl chloride and the HCl. So alkyl chloride is a haloalkane. So at the final one, it is a alkyl group consists of the chloride. So what would be the option? Option C. Okay, in the given compound. Okay, in the given compound it's a methyl chloride. So obviously the compound C is the methyl chloride. So what about the R group? Definitely it is a methyl group. So here I can identify the methyl chloride. So before that, what would be that? It may be the CS3 and H. So okay, it's totally it is a CH4. So if it is CH4 means what is the pre-step of the Grignard reagent? So definitely this particular R group, it can be a methyl magnesium. So what about that this particular halide? So this particular halide, and finally I got the chloride. So obviously with the bromine compound B, it must be the answer for this one. So what about the reactant? The initial substrate, definitely it's from the methyl Br. So compound B is the correct one. So what will the correct order of this one? The first compound, okay, the first one methyl bromide. So option B, B is compound. And what about that? Another, what type of Grignard reagent I got? Methyl magnesium bromide I got. So obviously it is a comma. What about that hydrocarbon derivative? It is a methane. So where is the methane? This is a compound D. Compound D, it's a third one. What about the finalist one? It's a methyl chloride. Where is the methyl chloride? Methyl chloride, it is a C compound. So option A, B, A, D, C. So option B, A, D, C. Option A is the correct one. Thanks for watching.